Hello guys, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. I hope you students are safe and sound. Well guys, today I want to update you regarding all the exams for the May 2021. There are 6 things I want to tell you. The first is that lockdown in Punjab and other states extended, as you all might know that, and the weekend lockdown imposed on Saturday and Sunday. So your exam for the 8th May 2021, that is Saturday, stands cancelled. Either it's an IDP exam or it's a British Council exam. So there will be no exam on 8th May 2021, which is this Saturday. The second thing I want to tell you that guys, for the hotel gathering, government has said that only 10 to maximum 20 people are only allowed in hotels for the examination or the social or the cultural activities. So your exam on Thursday, that is 13th May 2021, guys, just be prepared and be ready in your mind that you might have a cancellation 24 hours prior to your exam. So if you have your exam on 13th May 2021, guys, for example, 100 people have booked an exam, so there are 100% chances that only 50 students will get a venue email and other 50 will get a postpone email for the 13th May 2021, as it comes into the lockdown guidelines by the state government. The third thing I want to tell you is that if you get a postpone email, try to have at least 4 weeks gap, that is a month gap, before you book your further exam. And also I'll suggest you try to avoid the Saturday's exams, as the situation is going on. Yes, they have minimum lockdown situations from Monday to Friday, but weekend lockdown is something which is government, all the governments are going to extend month by month on weekly, bi-weekly basis. So guys, try to not book your exams on the weekends, that is for the Saturday. Try to avoid that. Book for the Thursdays if you want to have an option, but at least have a good gap in that. Okay, another thing is, the fourth thing is that IDP have introduced 2 new dates in the month of May, that is 13th May and 27th May 2021. And both the dates are on Saturdays. Both the dates are on Thursdays. So guys, 13th May, I have already told you that it comes into the 15th till 15th May lockdown, so only 10 to 20 people are allowed. But same 27th May is a good thing. So if you have your exam or you want to book for the May exam, you can book for 27th May because it's a Thursday. There are chances that you might have your exam. Another thing is that exams in May month on Saturdays like 22nd May and 29th May, I'll suggest you don't book it guys, as it will be under a weekend lockdown guidelines and British Council will cancel this exam. So there is not like a 50-50 chance, but there is a very strong probability that British Council will cancel the 22nd May and 29th May exam. So if you want to book your exam, don't book on these days. I think just go for the June month. So this is all for the today's video. I hope you like this video. If you get any further notifications, we'll obviously update you guys. Stay safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Good luck for your exams, and thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Stars of Knowledge on the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do get a notification on your timeline when we publish another update or a feedback. And the May to August 2021 complete cue card list is available on the channel. The details will be on there soon. Please watch that, and thanks for watching this video, students. Thank you. Bye bye.